Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY gallery wall. We recently bought a house and my main priority has been making this house into a home. He was a previous homeowner and I moved in with him, and this is our first house together. The first thing that I decided to really concentrate on was our gallery wall. If you're still here listening to me ramble, please like and subscribe down below. I upload a video every Wednesday and Sunday. You can also follow me on Instagram at Erin Heartbreak. I upload daily outfits that I wear. I am always keeping you on track with what I'm doing around the house, so you might see it on Instagram before you see it on my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be how I picked the space for the gallery wall, how I measured the gallery wall, why I picked certain frames, and why I selected a certain photo style. I hope you guys enjoy. So this is the final frame that we have to hang up. I purchased them at Target. It is a 16 by 20 frame, but it's an 11 by 14 print that goes inside. So as you can see, I put 9 frames up. Well, there will be 9 frames at the end of all of this. And I decided to pick our wedding photos. So basically how I measured this space is I took a piece of paper and I measured from our alarm system and I kind of just cut it at the wall there. I didn't want that to be a factor. I know it's a pretty big block and this was a really big empty space, so I wanted it to be filled completely. So what I did was measure from this end to 2 inches off. Actually, it's probably more than 2 inches, 2.5 inches. That looks like more, but Jonathan did that, so we'll blame him, from the alarm system. And then I had that to factor in as well. And that big guy up there. But I didn't want it to go all the way. So what I did was I measured the width of the wall, and then I factored in the width of each frame. So the width of each frame was 16 inches, and they're 20 inches long. So I only had 55.5 inches to work with, so I basically just cut it into 3s, and I made sure that the spacing was going to be 1 inch from each side. How accurate it is, I don't know, but it looks pretty good for having someone else wing your measurements. All I did was factor the 1 inch, and then I made sure that it wasn't going to hit right there, so he had to start at the bottom. And then I really didn't care how high it went because I knew it would never hit whatever that thing is. But it was super easy, guys. You do not want to pick a glossy finish to the photo. So this is the last one that needs to be done. So handsome. You don't want to pick a glossy one because it can really stick to inside the frame. You want it to be matte. That way it's not shiny at all. And I did black and white because we have a lot of textures going on in our house, and I really wanted this to just kind of be like a standout piece. I made sure that the photos weren't very colorful to begin with because I wanted to have other ones in our home that are gonna bring out the ocean or the park that we took our engagement photos at. So these I just kept kind of minimal. But what I did was I picked out some really dark ones and then some really light ones. I don't know how I'm gonna really place them yet. I think I'll play with it just because I don't want a full section to be of me and then a full section to be of Jonathan. So we're gonna really space them out, but most of the photos, you have the one of my dad and I, and then you have me, and then Jonathan and I. That's when we did our first looks and started walking away from the photographer. You have another one of myself. It's my favorite photo. I don't usually look like that. Then you have Jonathan and I again, and Jonathan looking mysterious with that angry brow. Another kind of, I don't know, kind of like angry one is me. And then this was right at our first look. So we had just seen each other right before the ceremony. And a lot of people do that in destination weddings so they can have more time because the weddings are super short in destination weddings. That was it. Super easy, right? I hope this video helped if you're looking to put a gallery wall in your home. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.